It has been a year now since our beloved city mayor started his term as the father of Iloilo City once again. And after 12 months of triumph and trials, here we are celebrating a year of pag-uswag, pagbato, and pagpadayon. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the State of the City Address 2020. Practicing solidarity and patriotism, let us all honor our country and the city by singing the Philippine National Anthem and the Iloilo City Hymn. And now, after 12 months, here are 5 feature departments sharing with us their USWAG stories.
In 2003, under the mayorship of then and now Honorable City Mayor Jerry P. Treñas, from Iloilo City Government Beautification Program was born. I was given the special assignment by virtue of an order from His Honor to lead this program as a special assignment. This particular program brought honor by beautifying the city. And we started with 13 more or less manpower only. Behind this all is the man of vision, none other than our Honorable City Mayor Jerry Treñas. For this, we are very grateful to him for any form of support extended to the program, only to ensure the cleanliness, the order, and most of all, the aesthetic appeal of the city. For that, I can say, padayon ang aton pag-uswag diri sa Iloilo.
Sa katuig nga liderato sang aton pinalangga nga Mayor nga Jerry P. Treñas, nadamo nga pinagbago sang aton merkado, nadamo sa mga changes, ilabi na diri sa terminal market, nagdeklaging kami, nag-sanitation, nag-obstruction, clearing, kag ilabi sa tanan, nagnami ang aton nga merkado para sa aton pamuluyo. Kay diri sa Iloilo, padayon ang pag-uswag.
Since sa pagsugod sang administrasyon ni Mayor Treñas, ang Peso Iloilo City nagahimo na sang bag-o nga pamaagi, hindi lang usual nga job employment, job placement, pero naga-start na kita sang livelihood program and technical skills training. Kag sa sulod sang 3 ka bulan, ang Peso Iloilo City na institutionalize na. Kay diri sa Iloilo, padayon ang pag-uswag.
Kaupod sa pagpungko sang aton nga beloved City Mayor Honorable Jerry P. Treñas, natukod ang aton nga opisina nga Office of the LGBT Affairs. Ang tinutuyo sang aton nga opisina makapasar sang programa kag ordinansa nga makaprotektar sa mga persons of diverse SOGI. Kay diri sa Iloilo, padayon ang pag-uswag.
Sugod sa pagpungko ni Mayor Treñas, nga mayor sang sini nga syudad, gintakos gid ang amon nga trabaho diri sa City DRM office. So we're thankful nga kung anong i-relay namon nga mga needs ng opisina like improving ang amon nga emergency telecommunications network, gin-take on niya man na as priorities ang iyang administrasyon. Nagapati kami ang pagsuporta ni Mayor sa amon magapadayon. Kag kami man magapadayon sa pagsuporta sa iyang pagdumalahan kay we want to become part of his vision. Kay diri sa Iloilo City, padayon ang pag-uswag.
Carrying the USWAG spirit and his platform, Wheels for Inclusive Development and Good Governance. For his State of the City address, please welcome Honorable Jerry P. Treñas.
My fellow Ilonggos, challenging times like this are opportunities for us to express our prevailing virtue of resilience and to make this test an inspiration to even fire up our passion to do more for our beloved city that will eventually lead us towards progress. Although this may not be the best time to celebrate all our accomplishments, let us not allow this pandemic to devalue the hard work and determination we all have poured into bringing Iloilo City to the next level. And today, despite our very difficult situation, I am equipped with a strong heartbeat and positivity to share with you all the things that we have accomplished for the past 12 months. These are a testament to our roaring progress and resilience here in Iloilo City. I am proud to share that our city was acknowledged the 8th safest city in Southeast Asia by a recognized online survey site that provides information about the living conditions of cities and countries. The City Risk Reduction and Management Council was also cited as the best in Western Visayas during the 21st Gawad Kalasag awarding ceremony. The dialysis center we are putting up in East Baluarte Molo is about to start operations, where DOH will provide dialysis machines and the city government will provide an ambulance and operate the center. I have always believed in the power of education, in opening better opportunities for everyone. And that is why here in Iloilo City, aside from our USWAG scholarship program, we have also given an initial 20 scholarships for Iloilo City daycare teachers for diploma in early childhood education at West Visayas State University. We also purchased instruction materials for daycare centers funded from the local school board supplemental budget. I have also ordered the fast tracking of projects under the Special Education Fund. Also, part of our initiatives in bringing Iloilo City to the next level are enhanced environmental management programs. Iloilo City was named one of the 3 Philippine winners to receive the ASEAN Clean Tourist Award for 2020 up to 2022. The award is based on ASEAN Clean Cities Standard, which aims to provide ASEAN members with a tool that will improve their tourism quality, increase marketing competitiveness, and also improve the situation of resident and livelihood by alleviating poverty. The Iloilo City government is also committed in finding ways and means to provide employment and livelihood opportunities and trainings for the poor, intensify tourism and investment promotions for the city. Last year, the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry recognized Iloilo City as the most business-friendly, highly urbanized city outside Metro Manila, besting 15 others finalists for the outstanding efforts in instituting good governance reforms to promote trade and investments, transparency, accountability, and efficiency in delivering business services. And even during this time of crisis, we provided livelihood to Ilonggo sewers through the USWAG Sewers Initiative, where we have produced 300,000 face masks, which were given out for free to the people in the various communities. As a fast-growing and highly urbanized city, there is a need for us to cope with the demands of the 21st century. Cities are now digitally transforming to improve environmental, financial, and social aspects of urban life with the help of information communication technology, or ICT. We can optimize the efficiency of city operations and services and connect to our people. With all those developments and expansions, there is an increasing demand for a workforce equipped to meet the sustainability challenges of this era. Iloilo City is growing bigger and bigger each year, demanding more and more land and requiring more and more buildings to be built. And along with rapid urbanization are inevitable challenges for sustainability. The booming economy and tourism scene of Iloilo City that resulted to better opportunities for the people is a product of the collaborative efforts of the people, the government, and the private sector. Everything was indeed in place, leading towards a more thriving economy until COVID-19 pandemic happened. The first 2 quarters of 2020, significantly different from the perfect vision we were all aiming to see. This has brought the economy to a near standstill because of the restrictions imposed to contain the virus. But because of the Ilonggo's unwavering brand of bayanihan spirit, we continue to fight against COVID-19. Help from all sectors was overwhelming, and I am certain that it was the help coming from everyone that kept us all intact and resilient. Initiatives such as the USWAG community kitchens, the USWAG kitchen patrol, the USWAG dorm, the USWAG rolling store, the Ilonggo Pandesal, Ilonggo Artists Against COVID-19, USWAG Sewers, USWAG Bike Sharing, the United Volunteers, mass testing, and the donations from compassionate Ilonggo businessmen played a crucial role in our fight against COVID-19. In the light of the recent numbers of COVID-19 patients in our city, the Iloilo City Testing Laboratory in Molo is also in the works. We have to have this done as soon as possible so that we can have faster results and eventually contain the virus. Because this facility will truly boost the capacity to manage the cases. The USWAG Community Kitchen initiative that put up 240 community kitchens all over the city have served 1.9 million meals to thousands of Ilonggo families. This was made possible through the collaborative efforts of all the volunteers and donors. I would like to acknowledge my daughter Raisa and the Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated for being in the front line in pursuing this initiative. Another COVID initiative that I am most proud of is the Ilonggo Pandesal, where bake shops in Iloilo City rallied to provide bread for the Ilonggo families. Despite being competitors in business, all the owners worked together and provided 1.7 pieces of pandesal for everyone. The rest of the Iloilo City government initiatives in fighting against COVID-19 speak volumes about how Ilonggos are resilient, placing us to the present situation, far from the old normal and the ideal, but because we are on top of everything, we have come a long way. We restarted the economy when we shifted to enhance community quarantine, because we cannot forever provide for everyone. And if we do not do anything for the economy to be restarted, many of us will suffer. We opened businesses not because it is now safe for people to go out, but because it is what is needed in order for us to keep going. And that is why I am appealing to each and every Ilonggo to cooperate with our authorities in strictly following protocols and guidelines. Let us not jeopardize all the efforts of our local government unit with our negligence or egoistic reasons. Instead, we all need to band together to shoulder the responsibility of overcoming COVID-19 pandemic and bringing the whole city through this challenging time. As natural and human-caused hazards can result in significant damage and disruption to communities, the current situation calls for our ability to adapt to the situation, because we do not want all our efforts to be put to waste. Instead, by being a resilient community, we will emerge even stronger together. Indeed, it has been a very dark time for us. But as Ilonggos, let us show the world that we shine even brighter during the darkest of nights. With that, allow me to share with you a short video of some of our accomplishments for the past 12 months. All those accomplishments were made possible because of your trust and confidence to your local government, hard work and determination of our City Council, support from our Congresswoman and all the department heads with their staff, the private sector, and because of every single Ilonggo's unwavering support. We could not have done all of this without your support. No matter what happens, I would like everyone to know that I am on top of the situation. And we will be able to get through this together. We were able to surpass the challenges this pandemic has brought us because of our brand of resilience as a people. And today, as we continue with our fight against the invisible enemy, please remember that I am here for all of you. You have placed me in this position, and it is now my duty and responsibility to protect and take care of all of you. As long as I am here, as your father, as long as you have your trust in me, and as long as you continue to do your own little share, Iloilo City will be safe. I believe that we will all get through this together as one Ilonggo people. Padayon kita sa pagbato. USWAG Iloilo.
Magbangon ka kag ipadayaw ang Iloilo. Ang pagigugma sa aton nga dakpanwa sa kalibutan. Ibakit bato mo siya, ibayaw ang bandera. Sige halabira, Ilonggo ka. Magululog yun na, tipunon ang pwersa. Itibong ang kausa, Ilonggo ka. USWAG Iloilo, ayaw Iloilo. USWAG Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. USWAG Iloilo, ayaw Iloilo. USWAG Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. USWAG Iloilo, ayaw Iloilo. USWAG Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. USWAG Iloilo, ayaw Iloilo. USWAG Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Para sa mga Ilonggo, USWAG Iloilo.
Thank you very much for being with us. May we continue to fight carrying our battle cry, Bato Iloilo. And of course, despite this challenging time, we will continue to bring Iloilo City to the next level. This has been your host. My name is Romel Paborada. And now let us all welcome the USWAG artists singing this Ilonggo pride song. Padayon sa pag-uswag, Iloilo City.
Matamis nga pulong ang amon ginmatan.
Hindi ko ikaw bulagan, banwa kong nahamutan.
Ikaw ang gintunaan sang kalipayan. Ilong
tunay na nagapuyo sa higat sa baybay. Madami magkiray-kiray sa tagipuson, bukos ang kalipay.
Ilonggo kaming ratunay na nagkapuyo sa higat sang baybay.
Manami magkiay-kiay sa tagipuson, bukos ang kalipay.
Tandansoy bayan ta ikaw, pauli ako sa payaw.
Ugaling ko ni kahit naman, ang bayaw himulang lantawan.
Dandansoy bayaan ta ikaw, pauli ako sa payaw.
Ugaling ko ni kahit naman, ang bayaw himulang lantawan.
Bilong-bilong! Bilong-bilong ang muda!
Bimig palantaw bisang bilong-bilong mo.
Hey, wala problema. Arata yun ah.
Be. Ay, apaw! Sampat gina sa iskabitsi mo.
Rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi,
Ang bilong-bilong tamakit ka namin.
rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi, marami sa adobo kakis kabitsi. Rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi,
Ang bilong-bilong tamakit ka namin.
rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi, marami sa adobo kakis kabitsi. Ang bilong-bilong, nagsuot sa punot nagabalanong. Ang mga rigaton nasa baybayon, nagkalawagak ang ilap at adyong.
Ang bilong-bilong, kung magdagayagid nagabarato. Nagilinugyaw-gid ang mga puso, nagalagisi ang ila-dilago.
Rikitsi-kitsi ka namin kung gaog yun ta. Pakita sa tanan kita syudad sa pag-igugma. May aras ang suporta pag walang gagasulubra. Ilonggong nga kultura dapat nga walang gaunta.
Rikit-chikit-chi, padayon na sa gihapon. Sa pagbato para kadalaga naton nga maangkon. Sa imo kag sa akon, mahimo nga tumanon. Para ang aton nga syudad ang mangin matahom.
Rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi,
Ang bilong-bilong tamakit ka namin.
rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi, marami sa adobo kakis kabitsi. Rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi,
Ang bilong-bilong tamakit ka namin.
rikitsi-kitsi-kitsi-kitsi, malamit ang bilong-bilong. Ang ugmas ang mga higulang, daw sa iging ang nagakamang.
Nabisan anhon ka tikman, makapyot sa kabataan.
Magpalagaan ay sa isig ka pareho. Wala base sa edad na tanan, magarespeto. Sa atong pumuluyo, hindi magpasaway. Maguli kay baghugpok ang magbinuligan.
Ang atong ginikanan naton nga balagaon. Ang atong katigulangan naton mga takaon. Sang bata pa kita sila gaatipan sa aton. Sang ulihi sila naman naton atipanon.
Ang ugmas ang mga higulang, daw sa iging ang nagakamang.